she brought this idea and this problem up at a 4th of July barbecue because when moms gather, there's all sorts of problems that we talk about. And one of them was cleaning because we hate it. So she brought this up and she decided that she's like, I have an idea for a toilet wand and it needs to be biodegradable and it needs to be throwawayable, something that you can just throw in the trash. So that's what she decided to do. But take a look at these toilet brushes. These are the best-selling toilet brushes on the market for 2018. All of them sit by the toilet. All of them have the bristle brush. None of them you could throw away, and they all are perfect prime time spots for little people to get into. Go ahead. So this is my daughter, and this is a real picture of one of her favorite places to sit in our house, right underneath me by our sink, and she loves to play with the Cascade things, the Cascade tablets. Thank you. She also loves to play with the toilet brush, and I think that that is just not okay. So what we have developed is a one-time use, totally disposable, throw away after one use toilet wand. So this is how it works. This is called the ToileTree. First, you have your totally non-toxic biodegradable toilet pods, which you simply toss into your water. If you were up here, you could smell it. It has a really nice smell. It fizzes. It turns the color blue. I've had people come back and tell me my kids fight over this job and this chore because they just like seeing it turn colors. Next, you grab your toilet brush, and this plastic covering, which I need to talk to those plastic people because this is not biodegradable, but it will be. This plastic covering acts as a glove. So you clean your toilet, you can clean around the lip, and then you simply fold this plastic back up and you throw the entire thing in the garbage. So this is super exciting and new technology because there's no toilet brushes right now that you can just throw away after one use. In the end, they will be totally biodegradable and non-toxic. Okay, go ahead. Oh, and there's our first working prototype. Super basic. It came from my kitchen with cotton balls. Go ahead to the next one. Okay, so this is what our prototype looks like now that we're selling. Go ahead to the next one. Awesome. Oh, and we already did the demo. Okay, so after talking to about 70 people, 70 potential customers, we found that our market niche was women ages 25 to 37. Usually they had kids, and they all wanted this. So we have sold over 250 of our workable prototypes, these, and the pods, and it's been really successful. In fact, we've had customers ask for subscriptions. Go ahead. The next thing that we had our customers say after reviewing our products is, this is disgusting. As you can see, one of our customers sent us this picture, and the caption, if you can't read it, says, "These people need your invention now." Oh yes, they do. So go ahead to the next one. So we are so excited for ToileTree, and this is what is going to happen next. One, we need to form an advisory board because I'm a marriage and family major and studied therapy actually, and I found actually that a lot of arguments did not come from cleaning the toilet between a husband and wife, but it was really nice when they didn't have to clean the toilet. That was a good thing. So we need to form an advisory board of people who know a little bit more about stats and market analysis than I do. Second, raise $10,000 seed capital for sourcing and advertising. Third, design and manufacture fully biodegradable production units overseas. Fourth, build a website and promote online. So the invention of the flushing toilet had one purpose, and that was to get rid of what comes out of you and me fast. And now with ToileTree, you have the perfect cleaning solution to keep your hands clean, to keep your house clean, to keep your little children out of the toxic chemicals. ToileTree. Thank you.
So you say that it's biodegradable. What is it made out of?
So this product right now is not fully biodegradable, but in future iterations and the final iteration it will be. The only thing that's really biodegradable is this stick of wood, but it will still take ages to biodegrade.
Do you have any kind of material that you're planning on for the sponge on the end?
Yes, I do. So actually, let's dig in the trash.
That's gross.
Sorry. Okay, so this right here is a total cellulose sponge. After about 6 weeks, it completely biodegrades, and it will replace this yellow, beautiful artist sponge that is currently on the tip right now. Next question. I know I stunned you. Your wife should be here, really. They're the ones that are doing the cleaning. Yeah.
So the concept sounds interesting, I just have a feeling that there's not a lot of detailed thought in how you source it, how do you capture the imagination of the public, how you fulfill, that there needs to be thoughts for each of these. Have you thought about trying to build a team with some more technology folks and some blood-sucking capitalists?
Absolutely, yes. So like I said, one of my first things is we need to form an advisory board because honestly, I don't have a lot of experience in sourcing. Like I said, my husband actually is kind of the engineer, and he comes home and he talks all about creativity and innovation and finding problems, and I was like, well, this is a real problem, cleaning the toilet. So I have just come up with a solution. So yes, we need to form a team of an advisory board so that we can answer all those questions that are very valid. Yeah.
So do you have any pricing model or idea of what that's going to be yet?
So pricing model for how much it costs, or like my
Yes.
development right now. I don't know how much it would cost like in the future, but the $10,000, the second thing that we need will help with that. Currently right now to make this it costs 98 cents. I sell them for $1.33, usually packaged in packs of 10 or around 5 or 6. Any other questions? Okay, awesome. Thank you so much.